Poddy. Look So
what does this mean?
We are off to Disneyland Paris today. Do you know what? It has come around so quick, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. So quick. When did we book it?
October.
Wow.
We posted on Instagram we were going in October,
So it must have been not long before then.
No, yeah. But I'm just so excited. So it is currently about 9:45. Our flight's not until 2:50.
Yeah.
So we got plenty of time. We are currently, I don't even know where we are.
Northampton Services.
Northampton Services. I just feel like having a good old time with my dad in the car, just like singing along.
I bet. You're like the passenger princess today.
I literally am.
I'm usually the passenger princess, but to drive today.
You've upgraded to the driving queen today.
Oh yeah, I like that title actually.
So we're vlogging. I wasn't actually going to vlog day one, but Holly's demanded it.
I insisted. I want to watch it back.
Yeah, exactly. So today basically we're going to be going on a plane. We're going to be going to obviously the airport, have a little snacky snack, and then get to Disneyland Paris.
I should feel sick.
So excited. So
and
anyway.
also, sorry.
Yeah, no, of course, no, carry on.
We're staying in the Newport Bay, which is like the most
like
exciting thing ever.
It's so exciting.
We never really stay in.
No, we don't.
On site.
No,
so we're just treating ourselves.
We're just having a little treat, but we basically are staying in 3 hotels.
Yeah, we are.
So we're going to be moving about.
We've got to make the most of them park tickets, you know what I mean?
Well, that's it. So yeah, we're going to be staying in the Newport Bay, which is so exciting. So obviously we'll show you the room and stuff and whatnot. So yeah.
Okay, this actually feels real now.
I feel a little bit sick. Like this morning I woke up at 6 o'clock and I was like staring at my suitcase thinking, have I packed everything?
Literally.
And I'm like sat there like, I think so.
I know.
I was thinking, worst
as
case,
long as you've got your passport, your phone, we always say this, you can buy anything else.
Exactly. Passport, phone, wallet, camera.
Yeah.
I've
got plenty of cables. I've got like Type C, whatever they're called. I've got all the different types, so we'll be fine.
Exactly.
Things will get charged.
So fine. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go to the airport now. We will see you when we get to Luton. So excited.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad and make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what
Probably not the best angle or situation, but we have made it. We're just sat at the bus station trying to figure out which bus we have to get on to get to our hotel. So we're going to do that, get to the hotel. I'll catch you guys when we get there. But yeah, all is good. We have our luggage. The flight was fine. It was all right, wasn't it?
It was absolutely fine. Very quick.
Yeah, very, very quick. Then we got a
Starbucks.
My word, my English.
Starbucks.
A Starbucks, which was delicious. It was a dragon mango, like
The dragon fruit mango refresher situation.
So
Mel's
good.
never had one before.
No, it was absolutely delicious. So that's all gone now. So we've got the train. We're in
That's
Disney.
all gone now.
It's all gone now. But yeah, we're just having a look to see what bus we have to get, and then we're going to head to the hotel, check in, head back, and go into World of Disney, which we are so excited about, aren't we?
Literally gonna.
It's right there. Like it is right there. So like we could just dive in, but we're going to wait until we.
Okay. She's in a rush.
But yeah, we're going to wait to come back and go in there and just spend all our money. So, catch up when we get to the hotel. Bye! So, we have now made it to the hotel. I'm very excited. It feels very surreal. I don't know if you feel the same, Hal.
Yeah, it does.
It does feel very surreal. I don't feel...
That's a big towel.
Like... Is that the hand towel?
That's
using the whole towel. But yeah, so we've just got back. I can't even speak English. I am so tired.
Well, we have just got back, really.
And yeah, we have just got
it's
back.
been 4 years. We just got back.
We have just got back. I'm very excited. We are just having a minute, and then we're gonna put some more layers on.
Put some ears on.
Put some ears on, and then we're gonna head to World of Disney and Nets. Just have a great old time. I'm very excited. So
have you mentioned that we don't have park tickets for today?
No, we don't have park tickets.
We don't have park tickets today.
Yeah,
because with the Newport Bay, you get them included, so we're maxing out our time with those because you get them from like first thing in the morning the day you check in. So we're maxing that out by like staying somewhere different either side of Newport Bay, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's the plan. So we're basically hotel hopping, park hopping, hopping and bopping all about. I feel so delirious, but I need to go and like wash my hands because I feel icky from the
just washed
bus.
mine twice.
I'm really trying not to like touch my face, so I'm gonna go and do that, which is really riveting information. I'm
so
sure
excited
for the
about
vlog.
it. I can't wait for you to wash your hands.
Anyway, I'm gonna go wash my hands, and then we're gonna come back and put our ears on and head into the, what's it called?
Village.
Village.
I'll always
Honestly.
be here to say the words you don't
Thank
remember.
you, 'cause my memory is not great. So anyway, gonna go. Catch you guys up when we've got our ears on.
Bye. Bye.
Crowning ourselves. Off we go. Ready for the headache of like
Literally.
5 days and I don't even care. I'm so excited.
Woo!
Yeah!
Okay, now I feel ready.
Oh, thumbnail smile. Love it. Thanks. Okay, so as you can probably tell, we have made it into Disney. We're not actually in Disneyland. Obviously, our tickets don't open work/thing
I
till
did
tomorrow.
say maybe we could go try them and see if it works.
see what
but then we
happens. But we're about to go into World of Disney. As you guys know, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. So yeah, we're really excited. Obviously, I'll show you guys some stuff that's in there. I'm sure Holly will want to show you a few pins that she picks up. So we are going to go in and have a little shop around, and we're probably going to do like all the shops up here. Let's be real, we love a good shop, so we're probably going to do that and then get some dinner. So I'm really excited. Just can't wait.
We're here.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray.
I have 2 pairs of ears in my hands at the moment, and these are the 2 pairs that I wanted, so I feel very accomplished. And Holly's got those, so we're going to wear them tomorrow on Valentine's Day.
Always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void.
So we've decided to come to Rainforest Cafe because Annette's queue was absolutely massive, and it was all outside, and we have literally just walked in. There's a little bit of a queue, but it's indoors, so I feel like we're winning.
Yeah.
So we've come to Rainforest Cafe. As I said, Annette's diner was absolutely heaving, wasn't it?
It was.
So we've come to Rainforest Cafe. I'm going to have a burger. Holly's going to have pasta with chips. Love it. I'm very hungry now. I'm so glad we came here now than gone to the rest of the shops first, because I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
Like the smell of all the food, I'm absolutely starving. So we've got a really nice table as well. Holly was just saying it's much nicer, like space.
Sometimes they like seat you like right directly next to somebody, and that stresses me out. So
You feel like the elbows touch.
Yeah, I feel like touching.
The food has arrived. I am thoroughly excited about this massive gherkin on my plate, but this is what the burger looks like. Absolutely delish. And then Holly's pasta looks so good, and her chips look amazing. Are you excited and you happy? Love it. Let's dig in. I cannot wait to eat this. It looks so good. So we've just come out of the Rainforest Cafe, and it is raining a little bit, but how was your meal?
It was not very good.
So-so. It was so-so.
So-so.
It wasn't as good as the pizzas, I have to say. Now, I look back at myself thinking when I said to try something new,
Yeah, I regret that.
if you ever go, the fajitas are just a top choice. So we're now just in the Lego shop. We're going to go up the little shops on the other side. Oh wow, that's so cute.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear.
I'm a star.
You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel?
Okay, so we've got our pancakes. We went for Nutella. Delicious. Cannot wait to try it. Holly's just taking a pic. 1 sec. My hands are so cold, I think I'm shaking the camera. Okay, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
I'm going to try not to eat the tissue. Delicious.
Very good.
Yummy. We're back from Disney Village. I remember what it's called this time. And we thought we would just do like a little haul because I don't really know how much I filmed today, and it's not going to be half as long as the rest of the week. So I thought, do you know what, let's include a haul. I did only buy 3 things.
I bought quite a few pins.
I think actually you did quite sensible though.
Yeah. Oh, I
Considering.
also have the one I traded for, so I'll get that.
Oh yeah, go get that. Right, the first thing, obviously had to get this one. Bear with me, it's just going to focus. It's the Stitch Queen of Hearts pin. me and Holly have like an inside joke with Queen of Hearts, so therefore it was kind of had to be done.
You mean Urn of Herd?
Yeah, Urn of Herd, sorry. I also said it kind of had to be done. That's not English. It kind of had to be done. This one was an orange. I think it was €9, so we both got the same, so I love that. And then another thing we both got the same were these ears. How perfect are these for Valentine's Day tomorrow?
Love them so
That is why we bought them. I literally, do you know what? Let's just try them on. Yeah, I love these. And these were
€25.
€25, which I think is actually quite reasonable.
Yeah, because
considering.
so the I really wanted the Wish ones, but they were 35, so I thought these were a bit better.
You can always get them if you haven't spent like
but
an
at the end of the
extortionate
trip,
amount at the
yeah.
end. Yeah, exactly. But
But I
yeah,
just
these are
love
for
these.
tomorrow, so we're both going to wear these with our Valentine's outfit. So we love that. And then the last thing I got before Holly shows you her pins were the pair of ears which I had on my wish list because for our outfit for Friday, I can just picture it looking great, are these. These are so cute. These are the It's a Small World ears and they're beautiful. Now the bow on this pair was like the best one. All the others were really like smush and funny. But anyway, that's all I bought today. I was actually quite reasonably controlled considering.
I got this pin, which is very cool. Peter Pan's Fly Stitch-esque.
I do love
pin.
that one. It's just funny, isn't it?
It's very cute, and I just love a large pin.
Yeah.
And then I also got this 2024 pin. Very upset though because I didn't get a 2023 one last year, and I did come for my hen do, so I do need to do that.
I think maybe somebody will have one to trade, hopefully.
Yeah, or maybe I could look on Vinted. But I also traded for this guy. It's Tavone in his little hula outfit, so that was a good find.
Yeah, love that.
And the last thing I got was this lanyard, which is the Droids lanyard. So it's
That
got
is a good one.
R2D2, C3PO and BB-8 on it, and then it's got orange on the other side.
Love it.
And obviously it comes with a little card, but I'll put my thing on the end of it.
Perfect.
So that was all my purchases, I believe.
But yeah, that is what we bought today, and that is the end of today's vlog.
As well as many snacks as well.
Yeah, we also bought snacks. What did we buy? We bought a crepe,
Crap, a lolly,
a lolly,
a
a Starbucks earlier.
Starbucks. Yeah.
It's just a very busy day. We've been go, go, go since very early this morning, so I am going to end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was more of a travel / Disney Village shop with us kind of
Vibe.
video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And tomorrow we're going to be heading into Disneyland Paris.
We're going to try and do extra magic hours, which will be
Yes.
very early in the morning.
Yeah, we're setting our alarms for 6 o'clock, so hopefully, how long in that is that? 8 hours from now.
That's doable. I can do that.
Doable.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
So I'm gonna leave today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you in next video. Goodbye.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read.